Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Impulse Coffee's headquarters. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm finally saying this out loud कि हमको office मिल गया है. We are finally going to work from an office and Impulse Coffees has an office space. What even? Like, I don't know. I can't believe that this is happening and I've been through so many chapters with Impulse Coffees. I started this from a bedroom, literally from one room in a 2 BHK house that I had rented for 30,000 and today the rent of this place is insane. But we have an office for this little brand that we started together on this channel and it's been a dream to finally work from an office setup, especially as the team was growing and it was becoming impossible for me to accommodate everyone into my house. It's something that we had visioned out for last year only. Last year I was very confident कि ये साल मैं Impulse को office definitely दिलाऊंगी. It was on my vision board. I was saying it out loud. I was manifesting it and we were even office hunting for beautiful office spaces near my house. But unfortunately, as soon as we did that, the warehouse of Impulse Coffees caught fire, burning every single piece of inventory that we had and we had to start from scratch. That it was and is still a massive hiccup that the company is sort of overcoming and we've still not overcome that loss. We are still a work in progress, but this office is an investment I have made in myself because ऑनेस्टली हम इस मुकाम पे पहुंच गए अभी पर्सनली स्पीकिंग कि मेरे लिए इम्पॉसिबल हो गया है फॉर अ वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. सो द डिसीजन ऑफ गेटिंग एन ऑफिस वाज प्योरली आउट ऑफ गेटिंग रिड ऑफ द कमर्शियल सेटअप फ्रॉम माय हाउस. मैंने पहला इम्पल्स कॉफीज का ऑफिस अपने पहले भाड़े के घर में स्टार्ट किया था एंड उसके बाद आई जस्ट केप्ट डूइंग दैट बिकॉज आई थॉट इट वाज कन्वीनियंट फॉर मी बिकॉज आई एम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर बट आई एम ऑल्सो अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर एंड आई एम अ लाइफस्टाइल कंटेंट क्रिएटर. तो मैं अपनी लाइफ को व्लॉग करती हूँ, मेरे घर को व्लॉग करती हूँ, मेरी फैमिली को व्लॉग करती हूँ. तो मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता था कि नहीं, द कंपनी हैज टू रन फ्रॉम माय हाउस सो दैट इट्स कन्वीनियंट फॉर मी टू फंक्शन एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस बिकॉज इफ आई स्टार्ट गोइंग टू एन ऑफिस इट विल बी very difficult for me to manage my shoots, etc. Always it was that approach, but last year something inside me shifted and I started becoming more entrepreneurial. I made that conscious decision that I am going to build Impulse Coffees wholeheartedly. Like all this while I felt like I was doing a half-assed job at Impulse. मैं पूरा ध्यान Impulse पे नहीं लगाती थी, पूरा ध्यान मेरा मेरे content पे था और Impulse पे बस like चलती है गाड़ी तो चलने दो वाला ध्यान था. But last year that gear shifted and I put the focus more into Impulse Coffees and evidently you all have also seen the results के अभी आप लोगों को Impulse हर जगह दिखेगा. काफी लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि वो अभी ब्रांड शुरू हुआ है, बट ब्रांड अभी नहीं शुरू हुआ है, ब्रांड 4 साल पहले शुरू हुआ था. सो 4 साल से मैंने कैसे तैसे अपनी गाड़ी चलाई हूँ एंड अभी बिकॉज माई फोकस इज मोर देयर आई नीड मोर पीपल ऑल्सो एंड दोज मेनी पीपल आई एम नॉट एबल टू फिट इन टू माई हाउस एंड इवन दो आई एम एबल टू फिट देम ऑल्सो. हम लोग ने और लास्ट व्लॉग में आपने देखा होगा, कुछ व्लॉग पहले आई वेंट टू IKEA, आई गॉट सम मोर फर्नीचर फॉर द अपार्टमेंट एंड फिट मोर पीपल ऑल्सो इन टू द अपार्टमेंट. बट नाउ आई एम लाइक गॉश, दीज पीपल जस्ट डोंट लीव. Like sometimes I love my staff and I love my team, but they come late and they'll go late also. So till 9:30, 10 o'clock also there is like, you know, team discussions and all happening in my house and I'm like, I started work at 8 o'clock in the morning. I want to lie down and I don't even have my sofa to lie down. So there were these moments where I was like, you know, it's getting too much for me. It's getting too much. I'm getting burnt out. My mental health was taking a toll. And then finally जब मेरा birthday पे वो पूरा crash and burn हुआ ना, तो I decided कि the best gift I can give myself is to get an office and stop thinking कि उससे पैसा बचेगा अगर मैं थोड़ा, क्योंकि commercial spaces are very expensive and I need it to be close to the house so that I can hop, skip and jump easily from the house when I need to be a content creator to the office when I need to be an entrepreneur very easily. So that decision had to be made. I was so hell-bent कि I want it done ASAP and so I didn't waste any time. Papa went like office hunting immediately. I had already done the core office hunting in October जब fire से पहले we were sure we want to get a office and I knew the ballpark figure कि कितने का रेंट पड़ेगा, कैसे टाइप के ऑफिसेज है, कौन सी बिल्डिंग्स अच्छी है, कौन सी बिल्डिंग्स अच्छी नहीं, ये सब मुझे पूरा आइडिया था. एंड सो आई डिडंट गो दिस टाइम पर्सनली एंड वेस्ट एनी टाइम. आई टोल्ड डैड these are the buildings I like and these are the buildings I want you to see the place in. And this time I was sure I want to get a furnished place because I had no money to put into interiors. I have a home loan to pay, you all know, and मेरा वो home loan चल रहा है और मेरे पास इतनी liquidity नहीं रहती है कि मैं इतना सारा पैसा उठाऊं और इंटीरियर में डालूं. तो जो कोरे ऑफिसेज है, एकदम ब्लैंक ऑफिसेज है, उसमें इतना 20-30 लाख का खर्चा हो जाएगा जस्ट इंटीरियर डिजाइन करने में एंड उसके बाद if I end up, moving from that office space, it will be a complete waste of money. So I decided that I'm going to scale down. I'm not going to get like a 2000 square feet office and like do up the interiors. Like that was my dream vision. I used to always think मैं उस दिन Impulse Coffees का office लूंगी जब मैं बड़ी जगह लूँ और पूरा अपने हिसाब से interior करूंगी. But I had to scale down on my dreams and decide कि let's start from a small place which is completely furnished, which meets our needs, and we can all gather, brainstorm, ideate, work. It can be a nice working space which is fully done up. So the rent is just slightly more expensive. If you get a unfurnished office, the rent is थोड़ा सस्ता and furnished का थोड़ा ज़्यादा rent देना पड़ता है, but at least अच्छी जगह मिलती है. And माशाल्लाह से we got this space so quickly. Like literally I saw the video and I was like इधर light अच्छी आ रही है, cabins है. We really wanted cabins because there are certain discussions that you just can't have in an open space. So I was like okay, I really need cabins. Furnished office है, cabins है, अच्छी light आ रही है. My criteria was met. It was close from home and I was like done करो इसको क्योंकि property in Bombay moves extremely fast, and so we didn't want to waste any time and just quickly close on the deal. So dad did everything. Can you believe मैंने token दे दी और मैं आई भी नहीं थी office देखने के लिए. In fact today is the first day that I'm actually sitting and talking to you all. Is the first maximum time I've spent in this office. मैं आई नहीं हूँ देखने के इस कदर का नल चल रहा है, AC चल रहा है, कुछ भी like जो भी खराब है मैं खुद ठीक करा लूंगी, चलेगा मेरे को. I paid the rent, I paid the token. Mashallah, everything happened in the month of Ramzan. So it's all by the blessing of God that this has happened, and it's divine timing. I feel everything has its timing, and I'm very grateful that this has happened, and I need a lot of your blessing, prayers that inshallah ये office से बहुत बरकत हो और हम बहुत आगे जाए, and someday I'll have that dream office also that I've visualized, which can be like the content creator hub and the office both in one. Okay, so without any further ado, let me take you and show you the new Impulse Coffees headquarters. तो ये कमरे में जो आप हो अभी, this is one of the cabins. We have two cabins over here. This is a 600 square feet fully furnished office. This is going to inshallah be my cabin. So it came with the chairs and everything. So this is the main boss chair that they have over here. अभी I'm thinking कि इधर हम थोड़ा सा कुछ करेंगे, आगे के vlogs में आपको देखने मिलेगा. I have ordered those IKEA के shelves और इधर inshallah we'll display Impulse Coffees really nicely, and I've put the logo अभी just temporary, and there's a thumbpin board over here which I really like because thumbpin board पे I want to put my notes and my task list and everything. I have a vision to put like a Mac setup over here because I have always wanted a desktop Mac, and मैं आज तक नहीं ली हूँ because मेरे घर में हमेशा movable tables रहे हैं, but this is a fixed table. तो ये table में already inbuilt drawer है, हम लोग ने कुरान शरीफ ला के रख दी है, and इधर एक cupboard भी दिया है. So there is enough storage for me to keep my documents and stuff. There is over here some space, and over here also some storage space. All of this is really nice for storing documents and corporate related stuff that we need to. Just enough for me, not too much, not too little. This is the beautiful view that I have from my cabin over here. It's a view of the metro station and it's enough light. इधर golden hour नहीं आता, but non-stop light है, तो it's good for my content. If I want to just sit here and shoot some content for Impulse or even for some brands, I can do that. In these cabins, there are also these blinds which are given. So this is very nice कि अगर मुझे blackout करना है, मुझे कोई meeting करनी है या मुझे कोई shoot करना है, and I don't want my team to be looking at me non-stop, so I can just black out and get some privacy in the cabin. So that is also possible, but also if I don't and I just want to keep an eye on my team, I can sit here and do that. That's possible. And the AC and everything came with the office, and that was extremely mandatory for me because apart from interiors, something that costs you a lot in a Quora office is AC, उसका drainage etc. वो बहुत महंगा पड़ता है, तो मुझे खर्चा नहीं करना था, इसलिए मैंने सब कुछ रेंट में ही कवर कर लिया है. तो ये कैबिन से बाहर आते के साथ ये डेस्क है और इस पे ये इतनी सारी चेयर्स है. आई थिंक easily 6 to 8 people can fit over here, which is right now the strength of Impulse Coffee's team. We also have a lot of freelancers that visit our office on certain days, and on those days I need some extra chairs. तो extra chairs मैं ऐड कर दूंगी. इतने chairs मुझे ऑफिस के साथ मिले. I really like this table कि हर एक उस पे they've given switchboards. ये सारे switchboards काम कर रहे हैं, lights भी है, ऊपर सब लगी हुई है. तो furnished office का यही सब advantage है. And these drawers are there for my team if they want to store anything. For here I was thinking I want to put one long thumbpin board for people if they want to put their notes, and I want to put some motivational quotes over here. तो ये सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें मैं अपने aesthetic के हिसाब से करवाऊंगी. And there inshallah we will put like one Aital kursi, because you all know I always put one Aital kursi. So right there at the entrance I want to put that. And this over here is the second cabin. I really like this cabin. Also, I was actually confused कि मैं कौन सा वाला लूँ. But मुझे उधर से मेट्रो देखनी है, लोगों को रोज आते जाते देखना है. In case my team says मैं लेट आ रही हूँ, I can say कि मेट्रो इधर आ गई, आप आए नहीं ऑफिस. I was thinking that I will mostly split it, like team Sara sits there with me. I will not sit alone, of course. And team Impulse Coffees के जो core members है वो लोग इधर बैठ सकते हैं. And then जैसे जैसे इंशाल्लाह टीम बढ़ेगी वो लोग बाहर बैठेंगे. Actually तो अभी अगर आप देखने जाओगे तो 2 कैबिन भरे उतने ही लोग हैं हमारे पास. But this is the scope of expansion. Like as the team members increase, we can make them sit outside. So the core team can sit here, or if anybody wants to have a meeting, then this is a good meeting room, a cabin room. So private meetings can be conducted here. This also has those blinds, so that's very convenient. And even outside there's blinds, so we can do a full blackout if we want to have a shoot, etc, etc. There are enough chairs over here, and there is no storage here. Yeah, this room does not have any storage, no drawers, nothing. Khali ye table mila hai bas. But I like that this, you know, this is a good aesthetic. It's like it's fitting the Sara Sarosh aesthetic. It's not tacky. Otherwise you go to these offices in red, yellow, white, green color के सनमाइका लगा के रखते हैं, इतने गंदे लगते हैं. जैसे ही मैंने ये सनमाइका देखा और लाइट देखी ना, I was like डन करो इसको. Like this is my aesthetic and it fits the bill. It's the coffee brown and you can't go wrong with it. This office also has a similar view. It's just in the opposite direction because both the windows are facing the same side. So this is how it's going to be. And this is the study table. Okay, so this is where you enter the office from. ये door है office का. This is on the 9th floor. तो यहाँ से आप enter करोगे. ये वाला space is like kitchen and pantry. It's very small and tiny. इतना कुछ decorative pantry है नहीं इधर. And there's a bathroom also, so nothing so fancy that you need to see. Very छोटी जगह. This is nice. There's a ladder that goes up and it's got a mezzanine. So come, let me take you. As you can see, this is the loft region and I cannot stand straight here because 5'11" me is not going to fit, so I'm going to sit down. ये 5'2" के इंसान का loft है, तो सत्यम, शेरिन, हसन, जितने भी मेरे ऑप्स वाले लोग हैं फिट हो जाएंगे. But right now हम लोग यहाँ से ऑफ कोर्स माल नहीं बेचते हैं, हमारा वेयर हाउस अलग है. एंड वी यूज 3PL सिस्टम्स फॉर वेयर हाउसिंग, सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू फुलफिल ऑर्डर्स फ्रॉम हियर, बट इट्स गुड फॉर स्टोरिंग. ओवर देयर हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी इम्पल्स का सामान रख दिया है. थोड़े कॉफीज, मग्स, बैग्स, पैकेजिंग, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा इज देयर. वी आर गोइंग टू ब्रिंग मोर स्टफ एंड आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू पुट अनदर टेबल एंड चेयर हियर इन केस इन द फ्यूचर आई वॉन्ट टू यूज दिस स्पेस ऑल्सो. आई कैन यूज इट. सो राइट नाउ इट्स जस्ट गोइंग टू बी लाइक स्टोरेज. इधर इन लोग ने एक टेबल तो दिया है, एक्चुअली 2 दिए हैं, तो पैकेजिंग कर सकते हैं अगर चाहिए तो, बट अभी that's not the plan of action. Maybe in the future if I want to, you know, we expand a team of editors or any team of operations and stuff who fit into this loft, they can fit here because there is AC and there's ventilation and the view is also the continuous view of down. So it's pretty nice and very well lit. ये stairs भी थोड़ी सी मेरे को scary लगती है.
ये थोड़ा वॉबली भी है.
हाँ ये वॉबली है ना, ये फिक्स कराना पड़ेगा हमको थोड़ा सा. काम तो है, काम तो एक और है. अभी आपको मैं कौन दिखाती हूँ, सत्यम दिखाएगा. क्या है? लाइट में कुछ आया है भूत जैसा, तो वी विल गेट.
एक चल रहा है, एक नहीं चल रहा है.
कौन सा चल रहा है, नहीं चल रहा है?
ये चल रहा है, ये नहीं चल रहा.
ओके ठीक है. ये सब और नल भी
पूरा हिल रहा है.
तो प्लम्बर, इलेक्ट्रिशियन, कारपेंटर सब लगेगा गाइज. टाइल्स देखो इधर की कुछ एस्थेटिक तो है नहीं, बट हम काम चला लेंगे. और ये पैंट्री है, तो इधर हम रखेंगे इम्पल्स कॉफीज. अभी रखा है स्कॉच ब्राइट सत्यम ने क्योंकि सफाई चल रही है. इधर भी थोड़ा स्टोरेज है बस, और क्या है. छोटू तो बॉस देखो बैठ गया है इधर. और इधर देखो इन लोग ने ये एसी का ड्रेनेज इधर नीचे दिया है, विच इज गोइंग टू बी अ मेस. सो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि इधर प्लम्बर को बुला के, बट ये चलेगा ना, इतना थोड़ा भरता है एक दिन में.
खाली कर सकते, खाली करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, रोज जो ऑफिस बॉय आएगा उसको बोलेंगे खाली कर इसको सफाई.
इतना भी भरेगा तो भी खाली होगा.
एक दिन में उतना ही भरेगा, ये ठीक है. दिस इज फाइन, वील कंटिन्यू दिस. ये भी लाइट गया है. कितना लाइट गया है? 3. मम्मी के पास है लाइट, मम्मी को बोल लाइट देने. ऑलराइट यू गाइस, सो दिस इज आवर वेरी स्मॉल, कोजी बट कन्वीनियंट एंड जो हमको चाहिए करंटली ऑफिस स्पेस. इट्स अ हम्बल बिगिनिंग फॉर इम्पल्स कॉफीज, बट आई थिंक इट्स द राइट स्टेप फॉरवर्ड. इट वाज वेरी 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 नीडेड, बोथ फ्रॉम माय टीम साइड ऑल्सो. दे वर आस्किंग मी कि कब ऑफिस लोगे, कब ऑफिस लोगे. एंड पर्सनली फॉर मी ऑल्सो आई थिंक इट्स द राइट मूव. आप लोग की बहुत दुआओं की जरूरत है. करंटली रमजान इज गोइंग ऑन, सो आई रियली प्रे फॉर जस्ट, you know, some peace of mind and lot of बरकत in this office. Please दिल से दुआ करना कि ये office से हम बहुत 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 आगे जाए इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह. And I need all your love support. Your love and support has brought us this far, and I know we have a long way ahead in Impulse Coffees to go. Thank you so much for always just having my back and being there for me. I know y'all were also waiting for us to get an office, and finally we have one. This is going to be the start of a lot of big things inshallah, and just your love, support and blessings are needed. I love you all so much, and I couldn't wait to come here and share this with you all. Literally the first thing I'm doing coming here is sharing this with you all. अभी आगे के vlogs में आप देखोगे कि हम इसमें थोड़ा कुछ इंटीरियर कराएंगे, थोड़ा जो भी रिपेयर एंड मरम्मत का काम आपने देखा है वो सब आगे के vlogs में होगा, because I'm also traveling for work in this Ramzan, so there's going to be a lot of like back and forth. So I just wanted to keep this a very short office tour, like an introduction. And if you continue on my channel, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get to see in the vlogs ahead in Hustle with Sar all the hustle and madness of moving here, settling in, etc etc. So I hope you all stay tuned for the journey. If you haven't yet tried Impulse Coffees, please do. Your love and support means a lot to us, and trust me, you will never regret an impulse purchase on Impulse Coffees. If you like this video, don't forget a big thumbs up. For today's video, the Sara Squad shower goes to Sneha Ghoshal. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part next year's Sara Squad shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad. I'll chance to part of my next video, Sara Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in the video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.